Hey Delphin and Dr. Jess, I just real quick wanted to show you something that I discovered while working on a different account earlier this morning. As you know, this is Google Search Console. From here you can check out your performance. You can see the queries that are getting you the most traffic. You can also see the pages that are giving you the most traffic as well. So that means you definitely want to pay close attention to the SEO on those pages. But where it gets interesting is you actually can link this information to your newly created Google Analytics 4 account, and it will essentially inform those entities and also allow you to build audiences based on information you're learning about the traffic. Now, the good thing about that is even though you're understanding traffic from Google Search Console, when you add that to GA4, you actually can also take a look at the events that are being created by said traffic. So if you're interested in talking a little bit more about that and understanding how to build audiences and do some other things that will actually allow you to ultimately convert that person, we can talk. One thing that I would suggest you do is go in and connect your GA4 account to GSC. In doing so, you're going to just give the entire system access to more information. Thank you.